G'day, I'm Paul. So like 5 or 10 years ago, I used to have to spend like $500,000 on a 911 Turbo to go quick. But today, you could spend $60,000 on this. It's called the MG4 X-Power. It does 0 to 100 in under 4 seconds. It's priced at $60,000. And we were literally just doing a road trip with the BMW i7 M70 and an internal combustion version of the 7 Series. And I had a look at the specs on the M70, and they are very similar to this in terms of straight line performance. So I thought, let's do a drag race between a $60,000 car versus a $350,000 car. So it should be exciting. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you can find out when we do fun videos like this, but let's get started. Okay, so this is going to be fun. I'm genuinely interested to see whether the MG can stick it to the $350,000 BMW. So I will point out at this stage, yes, I understand they're completely different cars, completely different price points, but like I said, we were doing a road trip in the 7 Series yesterday. So I thought, you know, this would be fun to see how it goes. So just as a recap, this has just over 300 kilowatts of power, which is pretty unreal for a small vehicle like this. Battery capacity is just over 60 kilowatt hours. That, on the other hand, has almost 500 kilowatts of power and 1100 newton meters of torque. It has over 100 kilowatt hours worth of battery capacity. Both of them have 2 electric motors, one on the front axle, one on the rear axle. So it's going to be pretty exciting to see how this goes. Their official 0 to 100 times are 3.8 for this and 3.7 for that, so it is going to be close. So what we're going to do today is just mix it up a little bit. We're going to go do a number of drag races. So the first one, we're both going to be in normal mode. So this will be in normal, that will be in comfort, and we're just going to mash the throttle and just see who crosses the line first. Then we're going to go into sport mode, then we're going to use launch control, and finally we're going to do some rolling acceleration, because typically with these EVs, they're quick off the line, but I'm keen to see whether the grunt they have out of this with those electric motors is better. This weighs significantly less than that as well. This is about 1,800 kilos. That is around 2,700 kilograms. So big difference there. So let me pop this into normal mode. Okay, so let's give this a shot. Check if Scott's ready. Scott, are you ready?
Ready to show you why this German limousine is the best.
Good. All right. Sean, you can count us in. We're just going to mash the throttle on go.
On go. In 3, 2, 1, go. Go.
Ooh, bye, Scott. That is unreal. I think he's closing on me. Oh, we are moving. Holy crap, this thing is a rocket ship. He was definitely closing in on me then, but that was close. Far out, these are some quick cars. $60,000 this costs, plus on-roads. That is remarkable. That was closer than I thought it was going to be. I'm surprised this got off the line quicker than you.
I was expecting once we got up and moving to really pull away from you, but you just sort of walked off.
I do love the suspension on that. It's like your next stop is going to be the moon. It's unbelievable how much of a barge that thing is.
The best part is I'm currently running with my air-conditioned seat on and a lumbar massage happening.
You are living the dream. All right, let's line up again. This time we'll go to sport mode, see if that makes any difference. You've actually got a boost function as well, so you pull the paddle on the steering wheel for that, so feel free to enable that just before we kick off and we'll see what happens. Okay, so let's line up for our next run here. Okay, there it is. So I'm going to put this into sport mode. So you press that, so you can see sport down the bottom there. Same thing again, I'm just going to mash the throttle. This does actually have a launch control mode where you hold the brake and the throttle, so we'll use that for the next run. Okay, Scott, are you set up and ready?
I am. I'm still reeling from the first loss though.
Okay, so Sean, if you want to count us in, Scott, you get your boost mode ready and we'll be good to go. All right.
Okay, on go. In 3, 2, 1, go. Go.
Oh, you got to jump on me then. Cheeky Scott. Cheeky Scott. Scott, you know, we only go on go. We don't go before go.
I don't know that that was a jump start. I think that was just lightning reaction.
Scott, that massage is getting to your head. Igor, can you confirm that Scott jumped the start?
Yep, Scott definitely jumped the start there.
Scott, when will you learn? Okay, so run number 2 this time. Hopefully Scott leaves on time, otherwise I'll have to disqualify him. Okay, you ready, Scott and Sean?
I won't jump this time, yep. Yeah, I'm good.
All right, count us in, Sean.
Okay, to reiterate my previous instructions, go on go. In 3, 2, 1, go. Go.
Oh, that's better. All right, here we go. Oh dear, damn it! No, that's so annoying.
Yes.
Just got the better of me there. That is so annoying. Yeah, it seems off the line I go okay, but then he just gets a little push ahead, so I'm hoping that launch control will help me here. Thank you for leaving at the correct time there, Scott. And opposite thank you for beating me, but we'll go back now and try launch control. I think that is where I'll really reel you in, hopefully.
That was a roller coaster of emotions there. I thought you were going to walk away from me off the line again, but boost definitely makes a difference here.
All right, so hopefully it will be launch control that helps us here. Mind you, he's going to be using launch control as well, but I have a feeling that launch control in that is probably just going to be boost mode, so we'll see what happens. Okay, it is a launch control time. So this doesn't actually come up with any messages saying launch control, but what you do is just hold the foot on the brake as hard as you can, throttle as well. It comes up to 66 or so % power over here. Then you just drop the brake and away it goes. So pretty straightforward system. I'm going to switch off stability control as well, just so we can get a little bit of slip off the line there. It's in sport mode. Everything looks like it's good to go. Scott, are you ready?
I am ready, let's do this.
Okay, Sean, count us in.
On go. In 3, 2, 1, go. Go.
All right. Oh dear. Oh no. Come on, go, 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 go!
Come on. Come on.
Go! Oh! Damn, that was so close. That was so close. Sean, who won? And don't say Scott.
Yes, it was the German.
No, that's so annoying. That must have been close. That looked very close to me.
It was about a car length.
And Paul, this car is 900 metres long, so that's actually a huge distance.
Damn, okay. Well, that kind of makes sense when you look at the numbers. It's 3.8 versus 3.7. I reckon there was exactly 0.1 there. So last thing we're going to do is just a rolling acceleration. So this is how it's going to work. We're both going to accelerate to about 60. Once we hit the blacktop, we're both going to nail it roughly around the same time. Not entirely scientific, but we'll see how it goes. Scott, you ready? All right, let's do this. All right, rolling, rolling, rolling. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, damn it. I am very impressed how quickly 2.7 tons worth of Germanness moves. That is quite good. And also quite impressed with how quick this is for a $60,000 car. It's unreal. Well, there you go. Yes, the 7 Series was quicker than this, and like I said before, this isn't really a comparison between these two. I just wanted to highlight just how much value there is in some of these cars today. This is a $60,000 car that will do 0 to 100 in under 4 seconds, so it is absolutely unreal. If you do want to see our full review of this, you can click up here to watch that, and then keep an eye out for our road trip with the 2 7 Series as well. That was a stack of fun too. So if you did enjoy this video, please make sure you like it and you share it with your mates, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon as well so you can get notified every single time we do one of these. But until next time, take it easy.